What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So thank you for clicking on another video. Now the picture is kind of a little bit of clickbait, but I'm going to go over and explain a little bit more of that. So we didn't really ruin the truck. We definitely did some changes to the truck, but when I posted these on some Ford and Super Duty pages online, everybody said that I was ruining the Platinum package and that I should have just gone with a Lariat Sport. So let's go ahead and go over what I actually did. So I took the truck down to LTD Motorworx and I had Damon Hart do some paint matching on it. The boys down there are incredible. I will drop the link down to their info in the description down below, and if you want to get some paint work done, let them know that I sent you and they'll hook it up. But what we did is we went and we removed almost all the chrome on this Platinum package truck. This is my 2020 F-350 Powerstroke. If you're new to the channel, welcome in. Don't forget to hit subscribe and drop a like on this video to support. We are going to be giving this truck away one day. If you guys want to see more info on that, check out the previous videos that we posted. But I'm going to go over and show you guys just what they did. So this grill right here used to be chrome. Real quick, I'll put a picture up of what it looked like before. And now I'm going to show you guys what it looks like now. So they did go ahead and they pulled the whole grill and bumper off and the front valance. They painted all this stuff white to match. This used to be blue. They painted it and did a two-tone. They did white and black on there. They did take the fog lights right here and they made these covers right here were black. We did have those done white. This 4x4 valance is a little tall, and I know a lot of people are going to be triggered by this. I don't really know if I want to do a two-wheel drive one or not yet. Drop down below and let me know if you think I should do a two-wheel drive one, paint match that, or if I should leave it black. Let me know. I really like the way that this looks. It makes the front end of this truck look way tall. It's really intimidating when we pull up behind people in traffic, which, I don't know, something to build the ego. So that's what we did on the front end of this truck. Moving down the side of the truck, we can move on this side. Down the side of the truck, we did have these badges painted white and the Platinum removed, so there is just a tiny bit of chrome there to match this 6.7 liter Powerstroke emblem on the side. We do still have chrome in the headlights and in these side markers. We are going to get those pulled off and paint matched, but Damon's guy was out, and so we couldn't do that quite yet. So it gives me a little bit of time to decide what I want to do, if I want to go full white, if I want to do two-tone, if I want to do tritone like we did the taillights, but like I said, let me know down in the comments what you guys think or what you're thinking so far. We did take these used to be chrome and these were black. We did take those and do full paint match. They pulled them all the way off the truck, stripped them all the way down, pulled them all apart, so everything is painted perfectly. And this paint match is perfect. They took the door caps right here, and the door handle caps, and they pulled those off, so those are white now. No more chrome on the door handles. Moving on to the back end of the truck, and almost my favorite part of the truck, these Tritone taillights are incredible. So they took and did the black on the inside here to match the back that we'll show you in just a sec, but they tinted my taillights, and also down to here they painted white. So if you look down the side of the truck from the mirror, you see white instead of red as the stock taillights would look. So they, like I said again, Tritone taillights. They got the white, the dark tint, and then the black, and then the clear for the reverse light, so we don't lose any color there backing up. And then on to my favorite part of the truck. One thing that JD talked me into doing on this truck was a black tailgate panel and then white color matched. So thank you, JD, for talking me into doing this. Shout out to JD for coming to help me film today. And they also took this little blue badge here. They did that white and black as well. I think that they nailed it. They did it out of the park with this, and it really gives the truck a whole new look. So if you guys need any paint match work done or anything like that, check the info down in the description below, and you definitely want to reach out to these guys. But that really ties it in. We do have some new wheels and tires coming. I am going to be selling these. We are going to be getting American Forces. I'm not going to release yet which ones we're going to do, but they are going to be gloss black, paint matched, and have some custom engraving on it. So if you don't want to miss out on any future content, be sure to smash the subscribe button, hit like on this video, and we will see you on the next one. Peace out.